Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with frustrating lag when using Snapchat filters on your low-end mobile device, you're in the right place. In 2025, with apps getting more demanding, this issue is super common, but don't worry, I've got simple, effective fixes that can get things running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First off, start by updating your Snapchat app. Head to your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and hit update if there's a new version available. Developers often release patches that optimize performance for older devices, so this could be a quick win. Next, make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Go to your settings, find the System or About Phone section, and check for any available updates. A fresh OS can improve overall speed and compatibility. Now, let's clear out some clutter. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps or Applications, find Snapchat, and select Storage or Cache. Tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove temporary files that might be causing the slowdown. Be warned, you'll have to log back in, but it's worth it for better performance. Another easy step: close background apps. Snapchat needs resources to run filters properly, so swipe away any unnecessary apps from your recent apps menu. This frees up RAM and makes your device snappier. If you're low on storage, that could be the culprit too. Delete unused apps, photos, or videos to free up space. Aim for at least 1 to 2 gigabytes available. Also, try adjusting Snapchat's settings. Go into the app, tap your profile, settings, and look for options to reduce filter quality or use lighter effects. Finally, give your phone a restart. It's a simple trick that often resolves temporary glitches. Hold down the power button, select Restart, and open Snapchat again to test. There you have it. Easy steps to fix that lag and enjoy Snapchat without interruptions. If these tips help, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.